Hello everyone, my name is Saksham Sultania and today we are going to discuss about contract meaning and its essential element. So let's start with the contract meaning. A contract is an agreement to do or not to do an act. So we can say that contract is equal to agreement plus enforceability at law. Now let's come to the essential element of a valid contract. So first essential element is offer and acceptance. There must be a lawful offer by one party and a lawful acceptance by other party. Second is intention to create legal relationship. The agreement must be made with the intention of creating legal obligation, not just social or domestic promises. Third is lawful consideration. Consideration means something in return for the promise. For a valid contract, the consideration must be real, lawful, and not forbidden by law. Fourth is capacity of parties. The parties to an agreement must be competent to contract. If either of the parties does not have the capacity to contract, the contract is not valid. Fifth is free consent. For a valid contract, the consent of parties must be free. That is, it should not be obtained by force. Sixth is lawful object. The object of the agreement must be lawful. If the object is illegal, immoral, or against public policy, the contract is void. Seventh is certainty of meaning. The terms of the agreement must be clear and certain. If the meaning is uncertain, the contract is void. 8 is possibility of performance. The terms of the agreement must be possible to perform. Ninth is not declared to be void or illegal. The agreement must not be that the law has expressly declared as void or illegal. If it is so, it cannot become a valid contract. And the last is legal formality. If the law requires certain agreement to be written in form or registered or stamped, then it must be followed, otherwise the contract is not valid. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, my name is M. Surendra. Today I am going to talk about classifications of contract. In business law, a contract is defined as an agreement enforceable by law. To study them systematically, contracts are classified under three main heads: validity, formation and performance. On the basis of validity, valid contract, a contract that fulfills an essential requirements of the Indian Contract Act. Second is void contract, a contract which was enforceable when it was made but later loses its legal effect because of certain reasons like change in law, impossibility of performance or lack of essential elements. It has no legal force. Third is voidable contract, a contract which is binding and enforceable on one party but gives the other party the right to either continue or repudiate it. Fourth is legal contract, a contract that involves unlawful or criminal acts and it's expressly prohibited by law. Such contracts are void from the very beginning and are punishable under law. Fifth is unenforceable contract, a contract that is valid in substance but cannot be enforced in court due to some technical defect such as absence of stamp duty, required registration or non-accompaniments with legal formalities. On the basis of formation, the first one is express contract, a contract in which the terms are clearly expressed through spoken or written words. Second is implied contract, a contract that is not expressed in words but inferred from the conduct of the parties or from circumstances. The law assumes the existence of such contracts because of actions or situations. Third is quasi contract, not a true contract but an obligation imposed by law to prevent one person from being unjustly enriched at the expense of another. Third is on the basis of performance. First one is executed contract, a contract in which both parties have completely fulfilled their respective obligations. Nothing remains to be performed by either side. Second one is executory contract, a contract in which the promises or obligations are yet to be performed in the future. Both parties still owe performance to each other. Third is party executed contract, a contract in which one party is yet to perform. It is partly completed and partly pending. Thank you.